If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. When a user opens a form in Form View in Access for data entry, they can move from field to field within the form by pressing the Tab key on their keyboard. The order in which the cursor cycles through the available controls within a form is called the form's tab order. When a user presses the Tab key, the focus may appear at a random control within the form if the tab order isn't properly set. This is extremely aggravating to end users. You can set the tab order of a form in Access to increase the ease of data entry in the form. You can set the tab order for Access forms either automatically or manually. To set the tab order in an Access form, open the Form in Form Design view. Then click the Tab Order button that appears in the Tools button group on the Design tab in the Form Design Tools contextual tab of the ribbon to open the Tab Order dialog box. If needed, select the form section for which to set the tab order of the controls by clicking the name of the desired section in the section list to the left to show a listing of its controls and their tab order in the custom order list to the right. The order in which the controls appear in this list from top to bottom is the order in which the user tabs through them when performing data entry. To automatically set the tab order for the selected section in the Access form based on the placement of the controls from top to bottom and left to right within the form, click the Auto Order button at the bottom of the dialog box to automatically set the tab order of the controls in the selected section of the form. Alternatively, to manually set the tab order for the selected section in the Access form, click the gray row selector button to the left of the name of a control shown in the Custom Order section of the Tab Order dialog box to select it. If needed to select multiple adjacent controls instead, click and drag over the gray row selector boxes to select them as a group. To then move the selected row or rows in the list, click and drag a black selected row selector box up or down, and then release it when it is at the desired position within the list to set the tab order. Repeat this for the other form sections as needed. After setting the correct tab order for the form, click the OK button in the Tab Order dialog box to apply your custom tab order. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.